Good morning, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wellpath. Today, we're diving into the world of nutritious breakfast options that not only kickstart your day, but also contribute to your overall health and fitness goals. Importance of a nutritious breakfast. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? Well, it truly sets the tone for your day and provides the energy needed to tackle your tasks. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and jumpstarts your metabolism. Nutritious breakfast options. Let's talk about some delicious and nutritious breakfast options that will supercharge your mornings. 1. Power Pack Smoothie Bowl. A smoothie bowl is a fantastic way to kickstart your day. Blend together your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, and spinach. Top it with nuts, seeds, and a sprinkle of granola for that added crunch. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. 2. Protein-packed avocado toast. Avocado toast is not just a trendy choice. It's a nutritional powerhouse too. Mash some ripe avocado on whole grain toast and add toppings like sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, perfect for sustained energy. 3. Energizing oatmeal with fruits. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast choice. Cook rolled oats with almond milk, add a dash of cinnamon, and top it with sliced fruits like apples, berries, or bananas. It's high in fiber, helps with digestion, and keeps you feeling full for longer. Benefits of these dishes. These breakfast options aren't just tasty. They're packed with nutrients essential for your body's functioning. From the antioxidants in the smoothie bowl to the healthy fats in avocado toast and the fiber in oatmeal. These dishes are designed to boost your health and fitness. Energizing Greek yogurtparfaits. Another fantastic option is the Greek yogurtparfaits. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. It's a powerhouse of protein, probiotics, and essential nutrients. This parfait not only tastes delightful, but also supports gut health. Wholesome veggie omelet. A veggie omelet is a versatile and nutrient-packed breakfast choice. Whip up eggs with colorful veggies like bell peppers, spinach, tomatoes, and onions. Cook it to perfection and serve with a side of whole grain toast. It's a protein-rich meal that's loaded with vitamins and minerals essential for your day. High-fiber chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a delightful and nutritious breakfast treat. Mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and a touch of sweetener. Let it sit overnight to form a pudding-like consistency. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or coconut flakes. This pudding is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting heart health and aiding digestion. Exploring nutritional benefits. These breakfast options are a nutritional goldmine. From the protein in the Greek yogurt parfait to the vitamins and minerals in the veggie omelet and the omega-3s in chia seed pudding, each dish offers unique health benefits. By incorporating these options into your breakfast routine, you're not only starting your day right, but also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Whether you choose the refreshing yogurt parfait, the veggie-packed omelet, or the delightful chia seed pudding, these breakfast options are tailored to fuel your day with health and vitality. Opt for a breakfast that suits your taste and supports your health and fitness goals. From the invigorating smoothie bowl to the protein-packed avocado toast and the comforting oatmeal, these breakfast choices are your ticket to a vibrant and energetic morning routine. Remember, the key to a great day starts with a breakfast that aligns with your taste and supports your health and fitness ambitions. Thanks for joining us on this journey of flavorful and nutritious breakfast options. For more delicious recipes and valuable health tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community dedicated to your well-being. Make every morning a celebration of health and vitality. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, and have an amazing day. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for joining us today. For more health tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel.